Hey, I'm Harry from Trevor-io, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first dashboard. So let's jump right in. I'm looking at the Dashboards tab, and all I'm going to do is head up to this big button in the top right, Create New Dashboard, and I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to give my dashboard a name. Let's call it My Amazing Dash. I'm going to set the refresh schedule to hourly, but obviously you can choose whatever you like, and then I'm going to click Done. There we go, it's going to create my dashboard for me. And now I've got to add some saved queries to it. So those are queries that I've saved previously using the Query Builder tab up here. So let's click that button and add a saved query. So here are the queries I have. Let's add the count customers by country. And I want to display that as a pie chart. So when I click Done, it's going to add that to the dashboard and I can arrange it however I like. And once I'm done, I can either discard the changes I've made or I can save them. And I can add as many saved queries to this dashboard as I want to. I can do all kinds of things like create dashboard filters and schedule this dashboard to be sent to me or to be sent to a Slack channel whenever I want it to. So if you have any questions about that or anything else, as always, just ping us.